Alright, me and Alec are whipping up some stainless exhaust for this G8. Got us some nice 3-inch stainless, big old X-pipe. TIG weld and back purge all this. Make it super nice. Is it? Minty. Yeah, here's the old stuff. Just kind of going off of that, getting rid of that muffler, getting rid of the resonators, getting rid of the cutouts, doing V-bands and all that.
Yeah! Big old pipes.
Fuck's sake.
You'd have to put red flags on them. Yeah, don't mind my tips.
Hey, look out when you're walking around the truck there.
We're at the same spot.
It's just a bubble in our cardboard. That's why I put the pocket in there, bro.
That's mint that they actually slide in there. I like that. That's cool. I didn't think they would at first. Still can just fucking go every which way though.
Clamp. TIG welder.
TIG welder. That's a welder.
That's a welder. That's a welder. Wait, that's a welder. Wait, that's a welder. Wait, that's a welder. Are you a welder? This is how I would be if I was a cameraman.
Stop that.
Sir, you're being really loud.
Yeah. This is a quiet place. Yeah, it is.
This is a place for quiet.
Yeah. Check these.
It's on the Bluetooth. Crank that up a little bit, I want to watch it.
What you doing under here?
Sliding by in the sun.
Jeez. I'm uphill now. It's hard to see. There we go. Under the car and everything. Shit.
That was this other side looks good for going uphill too.
Yeah, pretty mint. Figured do these under here so you don't have to take the headers off again. And
Got the X pipe back there. Oh yeah.
good enough.
All coming together.
Very nice.
Nice V-bands up here, long tubes.
Welded from the inside.
Yep. Alright.
We'll have it out next clip. Welding it up.
Okay, so we're getting back on this exhaust here on Monday. The last clips were from Friday. My bandsaw is being a piece of junk. I'm trying to shorten down these end tubes so I can get the tips fit up. I gotta clear out quite a bit. Well, it'd be nice if you could see. I gotta clear out quite a bit of this trim to fit these big 4-inch tips like he wants. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And then once I get the bandsaw to work again, then I'm gonna shorten these and we'll be able to tack all that up once I get it, the bezels all trimmed out and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do that once this piece of junk starts working. Just having a hard time starting. No! Come on. Okay, I got tips mocked up. This shit looks sick as fuck. I'm gonna tack these up. That was kind of sketchy by myself, but we got it done. I'm gonna drag that out. I got the creeper underneath the front section, so hopefully I can just lift up this back half, pull it out, set it on my sawhorses, and start welding it up. I ended up going a little hard yesterday. I was trying to get it done and show you guys the old stuff next to the new stuff, but as you can tell I already cleaned up and they're under the car. I'm gonna throw a picture up right now of this and then the new one, but yeah, I had 7 hours of TIG welding alone yesterday just in getting it all done. So I forgot to pick up the camera and time got the best of me. But as you can tell, it came out absolutely killer. gonna throw up a bunch of pictures and a bunch of stuff that I took on my phone while I was doing this, but yeah, so sorry. I ended up purging it, went through quite a bit of gas, and yeah, I'm super stoked with how it came out, and I'm looking forward to doing the next one. I hope the next time I can be on a lift because my back hurts. My back hurts a lot. But the moment you've probably all been waiting for. Let's get a sound clip in this sucker.